Time right now is 6:36 on this Wednesday morning, and we continue to keep an eye on the tropics this morning. Hurricane Beryl continues to devastate countries in the Caribbean. You're looking live at the satellite feed of that storm right now. It's expected to make landfall again today, this time projected to hit Jamaica. Right now, the United States is expected to escape a direct hit at its current strength. But Annie, the storm has other impacts to those of us right here in the U.S.
Oh, for sure. And Beryl is not slowing down anytime soon. Allison, the big impact comes by way of holiday travel plans. Of course, the Caribbean is a really popular vacation spot during the summer for many people. So a number of Americans are finding themselves in the hurricane's path. Cruises are actually rerouting some ships to avoid the dangerous weather, and other tourists are hunkering down or getting out.
Couldn't sleep last night because I don't know if I would be able to get out today. But it worked out fine.
Now, another impact of this storm, experts are predicting that Beryl could increase the cost of gas in the U.S. by 5 to 10 cents over a gallon over the next week. That's because it might disrupt Gulf Coast oil refineries. And right now, the storm is predicted to hit that area in the coming days, and it could weaken by then. But officials are still warning people in Texas they might actually be in the storm's path. So, Jonathan, this is, of course, unsettling news for those traveling. But this is a life-threatening storm for anyone in its projected path, even for those who live in Texas and elsewhere.
Yeah, rain, wind, surge. Even as we head towards the area of Texas, the potential that you could be getting a Category 1 hurricane heading your way by the end of the weekend into early next week. I mean, this storm is huge. I can't emphasize that enough. And as we told you yesterday, it became the earliest ever Category 5 in the hurricane, or rather Category 5 hurricane, in the Atlantic Basin. And the wild thing about this is the last Category 5 hurricane in July that occurred, that was back in 2005. That was Emily. And this one beat out Emily by 15 days. So as the storm heads towards Jamaica, the director of meteorology in Jamaica says they were all caught off guard a bit by the intensity of the storm.
We're all pretty surprised. I mean, we're usually in preparation for end of August, certainly September, and sometimes early to mid-October. So this is unprecedented for us, especially a storm of this strength. We're doing our best to prepare, but we have to, see what happens.
And it was saying there, I mean, the thing about this storm is that it's going over water that's more like the temperatures that we'd see during the peak of hurricane season in September. This, of course, due to global climate change that we've been experiencing and the fact that we don't have El Nino anymore, and now La Nina is setting in. So some supercharged conditions to get this hurricane going. Now,